Now we focus on the latest from the corporate front. Exide batteries have become the first product made in Kenya to be exported under the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement. The batteries made by Associated Battery Manufacturing Limited have been shipped to Ghana in a pilot phase involving 7 African countries under the tutelage of the African Union to deepen intra-Africa trade. Here are the details of that story and more.
This year, Kenya became one of the 6 countries selected to pilot the Continental Free Trade Area that seeks to unlock the movement of goods and services in Africa. Also picked to champion the trial phase is Tanzania, Tunisia, Cameroon, Egypt and Ghana. Under the deal, Kenya will trade selected products in automobiles, agro-processing, manufacturing and construction materials. Today, Kenya made its first export under the Continental Free Trade Agreement after exporting locally made Exide batteries to Ghana. The export, which were done under a pilot phase, saw batteries land at the port of Tema in Ghana. The batteries are the first batch of products that Kenya seeks to export regionally, with the country also expected to add tea, confectionery, leather bags, incinerators, beaded products, vehicular filters, textile, sisal fiber, avocados and fresh produce to its list of export products. Elsewhere, the government has been encouraged to reduce tax on construction materials to help the private sector contribute to the government's plan to construct 250,000 housing units annually.
Everything that we use in construction is mostly quite heavily taxed. For the government's ambition of building affordable houses and releasing 250,000 in the market, then there is need to relook at this taxation structure and be able to normalize this to ensure that these costs are then not passed through to the buyers of the houses.
Gishangi was speaking during the 450 housing unit groundbreaking ceremony at Miran in Kiambu. Once complete, the mixed housing units will retail at between 3.2 to 6.5 million shillings. Finally, residents of Kitengela and its environs will experience interrupted power supply following the commissioning of EPZ substation by Kenya Power. The station, which will be commissioned on Sunday, will see Kitengela and adjacent areas make do without power from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. to allow the reconnection of all customers back to the EPZ substation. Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.